Hi guys, I'm Chesney from Chase and Trey's place. Yeah, so I'm Chesney. Today I'm going to show you my bedroom fan. You can see it's on backwards. And I'm turning it backwards because it's actually so wobbly when it's on high and when it's on backwards. So let's do it. Because when it's backwards on high, it's so wobbly. And I mostly forgot to turn the switch on. Hey there. See, that's low. That's low. And this is medium. And now it's low again. I'm gonna turn the light on. And I got these two things at Christmas, Yeah, in last Christmas. And these things, they're about 7 years old, my age. And then got both of these things. It's pillows. It's so comfy. Okay. It's just medium. And I'm scared to turn it high because when it's on high backwards, it wobbles so badly. But I'll try. Okay, I'm gonna turn high now. 3, 2, 1. Oh, so wobbly, so wobbly. Oh, so. It's actually so wobbly. Yo. It's so wobbly. It is so wobbly, guys. It was so wobbly. It's so wobbly. It was so wobbly, guys. I'm gonna go turn it back. Forward. And yeah. So I hope you like this video and subscribe. And so bye guys. See you later. Bye.